Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Before we begin, let me first express my gratitude for the opportunity to present today. My name is Arsalia Saviola, and I am from the Department of Informatics and Computer Engineering Education at Universitas Negeri Semarang. In this presentation, I will be discussing about chapter 6, which focus on virtualization, monitoring, and cloud optimization. Table of content, we're talking about the introduction, virtualization concept, we're talking about hypervisor and containers, cloud resource management, cloud performance monitoring, optimization techniques, and activity and mini project. Okay, the first we're talking about the introduction. Chapter 6 explain how cloud system run efficiently through virtualization, resource management, monitoring, and optimization. It covers how hypervisors and containers create virtual environment, how cloud resources like CPU, RAM, and storage are controlled, how tools like CloudWatch monitor performance, and how scaling and caching improve speed and stability. The first material, we're talking about the virtualization concept. Uh, they has hypervisor and containers. Okay, virtualization is a technique used to create virtual versions of hardware, operating system, or other computing resource. It enable a single physical machine to run multiple isolate environment efficiently. There has a hypervisor and containers. A hypervisor is software that allow one physical hardware machine to operate multiple virtual machine, and hypervisor has to type type of hypervisor is type 1 is bare metal, run directly on the host hardware without requiring a host operating system. Example, we got VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Sun Server. Definitely, there has advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is strong isolation, high performance, suitable for enterprise data centers, and there has a disadvantage is more complex setup and requires dedicated hardware. Type 2 is host, runs on top of a host operating system. We got example is VirtualBox and VMware Workstation, and they has advantage and disadvantage. And advantage is easy to install, good for personal or development use, and there has this advantage is lower performance and dependent on host OS. And we're talking about the containers are alike from a virtualization at the operating system level. Application and their dependencies are packaged into isolate units that share the same kernel. And container platform is Docker, Kubernetes, and Podman, and it has advantage too and disadvantage too. The advantage is fast startup, low resource usage and highly scalable. And they has this advantage is weaker isolation than VMS and dependent on host OS kernel. Okay, the second material is cloud resource management, and they has we talking about the CPU, RAM, and storage. Definitely, cloud resource management focus on ensuring that CPU, RAM, and storage are used efficiently to maintain application stability and performance. CPU resources in the cloud are managed towards techniques such as sharing, load balancing, and auto-scaling, allowing the system to automatically increase or reduce processing power based on workload demand. RAM management is equally important because memory directly affect the speed of real-time application. Therefore, cloud providers use mechanisms like memory limits, reservation, and swapping to prevent performance degradation. For storage, cloud platform offer several types such as block, object, and file storage and optimize them using caching, data compression, and tiering system to balance cost and performance. Altogether, effective management of this resource ensures that cloud application remain responsive, cost efficient, and capable of handling varying level of user traffic. Okay, third material is cloud AWS CloudWatch and Azure Monitor. Monitoring ensures application stability, availability, and cost efficiency is number one. Is AWS CloudWatch is collect log, matrix, CPU, disk, next network, provide alarm and dashboard, supports auto scaling, include CloudWatch log insight for log analytic. And number two is Azure Monitor is virtual machine, database, serverless function, network, and cloud application. Key features example is application insights, log analytics, real-time alerts, and Power BI integration. Number three is importance of monitoring, detect issues before downtime, optimize resource costs, and improve performance and stability. And for material is optimization techniques and performance case study. Cloud optimization focus on improving speed, stability, and resource efficiency within cloud-based application. Techniques such as horizontal and vertical scaling, load balancing, caching layers, and database optimization help system handle increasing workloads more efficiently. Performance breakdown case study is problem is website slowdown during increased traffic, possible because CPU spike, memory leak, and slow disks. And we got the solution is enable auto scaling, increase VM memory, use CDN to distribute traffic, and optimize database queries. And definitely they has impact if not optimized is service downtime, is dissatisfaction, and financial loss. And number 5, we got the activity and mini project resource allocation simulation. The mini project in this chapter aims to help students understand how to allocate cloud resource based on application requirements. Students analyze different workloads by assessing CPU, RAM, and storage usage, then determine the appropriate instance type, whether general purpose, compute optimized, or memory optimized. They simulate two types of workloads: a lightweight web application and a heavier data processing task. From this simulation, students create a resource allocation diagram and compare performance before and after optimization. The goal is to give hands-on experience in evaluating application needs, choosing the right cloud configuration, and understanding how optimization improves performance. Alright, thank you for watching the video material that I have explained. I hope it is useful, and more or less I apologize. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.